Ibawani sinofoni no borondu nduko rogo abado rogo ni basasa idu imani rojo ni yetigere bole na gani program ana mango zengu no bodu nduko ina bakari mbara ko kadani ani noni odumbare bo moina ngame sometime bono mane jato baduro gime so it's a bit hard paboro ne ye week in week out kamanga chonone but ina when announcement pale phone tigere bole wana mwingi he kone bangame anaito host gani adobirani anarani iya kafra front ko wena apa yamanga zumbeyo anga zumbeyo ni sante rusa sudan ko na borondu ko so alina bakale mbarago yeneyo oni proneyo oni gifugo yo na kajia obapadu boyo ye kape kafra nyani so before ando kumbata ya minada kachini doro ni ngame mwana dede ngame anafra rogiri gwera iliso mwana ngawe dungo atope kya pali pa chinga yaka bata kachidunga me sana hembaro ani sana nga hene iliso ana frango rogo afugo nike yena kinagupa na afugo kupa na pada barania mwana ngawe manga manga ambaye chigile bore ni kasa reka sana gani technician pia gani ajima frani next samaka antona gani program tambaye bakari tambaye kadunane ane dimyagino aina bakare mbarago kaduno ni na ogwazani no duro no burundu ko lizegino tigire gore umbatare godure ana hosi kina dewerani na bala na boyodundu ko rogu program ana mangarede ngaga LTS so before andu kumbata menikasa danga kafunga ulima mufoni yoni yomungo limoni na ogurago do ni rogo yo ko gwa burundu burundu kwa lizegino no boyodundu ko tambaye menikatona na mene ngote gari dugoli so nikatona na Victoria
Menafugisa ne fazandi no boyo dunduko orogoze gino no boho dunduko gidurere awore kononga bofo bebere ubu ogwa borgudu kino hodu yuru awore obuyo kino hodu wiso gisene furoni duko migashitambwa fugi mumule furani aniye kasa da kapeka beto gwa pengo bwanyamanga akujubano no oni dunduko rogo gwa badoni rogo yo kimiri mongo Victoria na Tony Daniel Zindo
tambaye Victoria Majara
Babakar tambaye yes
yeah
Babakar tambaye pakadu ana menoni gasa gani bakar tambaye fumboli evangelist dungami mimbere kayani tona hana kana para fumboli onu wona fungo mumule fale ya limolenga evangelist mite Naomi Keliona mikeduki na juba hane nondo banduro kena fa jaburunga aboro European Union midu kolola na wale
tambaye Evangelist kaduna nyane tambaye Victoria chidunga kwa gani agironika jonira na joni china yo kaya ija kwale china norojina na fuda ya fuda toni so ani fuwele gofio ya jonira na joni but chigire boy anikandu kumata na gani sakafai masia ka gene du homo setting ka coordinate waka connect yo ilimi maybe network dunajisabio Evangelist ma drop hopefully kakaraga akaraga Victoria kubambata sana minika sana cafe for all lima karaga chiri tambai awole network interrupt
network yeah kind of
yes mina yawe wala aina bakare mbarago kaja pangame adawirani anarani onasada na wena pai anga juba ini sante zande ndiko gurana kazegino hanaji wena pawo gorikini mangi yani rago namamba charani especially rogo sade ngagade organic community ani bipangame dunga activity amangate nego panga china da aboro na sombo dorona wana jipanga on mo phone fomu gonu ligure rago mamba cheni kare na kubagi aboro na jipaha so chikali kwa ngini kasa da ngapanga chance phone one tudin kataka ngarogo fani gure ga objective ngakini hale tibesi changira kubwa de du juba ho wala sasu da no bodu nduko so gure minika sadaka for chance for ni onu sekrego for gwa bulu ni drone ya no bodu nduko lizegi So,
no merita.
Yes.
Okay.
Naomi.
Baba kale tamba roja chipaka dunani hane pasi gisungo dulele chini baba kale tamba na bakale ngbara go yani kafrafa zande ogranete bengarani yani bilan for the first time no gwina kia parani no guli apana traika otokanani ani wa de kujubano ano sungwan kibale gupanga wegi paka na munga ha yani ngobu lingi ko undorani lingi ka somsarani yani na kurani no virani yani kindo andula adi ko grassroots yo and kini organize sungo nadu on International Women's Day wogu nadu last year. So and kimongi fundraising yara contribution kimongi aburukite be frani niwena he chugule bonangi ahari yara nkini bienga we kan henga kina kuhate ana madiscuss uli apayo ni betehe like ili bakal he kama ngaro ukuro we workshop ane mongi kina gade nadu chipa marriage and divorce yara from after go workshop le and kin decide ka form cabinet wa bakale tamba hena rani moye akin saka form cabinet yani ka manga chair lady na kenya abrokuti beni to kanga yani sunge ndo andu wenangai kina kulihe and kin das paintinga anizeki etidunga organization atidunga the best work. So organization is already registered at the moment. The best namangara ni awalenga yani we don't have enough fund ichpa yani ka stabilizing anga office properly chindungbandu he and hopefully chakando an pukoro yo kani shika establish he juba hane chidunga gupadu ho yala give over ho chedu ye dulele ngagi yani me approach role ngawe mu undarane ani pehe fuzegi no gwazane drogo zegi ne nkabirane ngaga Christmas carol nikadurago igima sabawe nowe kutisa sita. So chinika involve magician na performances na baza yani oguraninga business ladies alinke no gubeta he bilani ke kabagaha yani chiba chiundelibu but chidungo gupadu dan chinyawe
Amba evangelist. Gani romo mwalimu. Sorry, awure network na motor ni ambusa.
I don't speak Fazande. Maybe you can ask me in English.
Okay. All right. So, which language are you comfortable in? Fazande or Arabic? Or English?
Let us use English, guys. Then I will.
Okay. Thank you very much. Because we were waiting for you, so it seems like it was a network problem. So, to be honest, like we are so grateful to have you on today in our program, and we're looking forward to hear a lot of things that you guys are doing in Juba for our women, not only just women in Juba, but hopefully women in the entire South Sudan. So at this time, I will give you an opportunity to introduce yourself to people, to our viewers worldwide. Let them know who you are, your name, and then we can go on.
Okay, thank you so much. I am by the name Elise Isaiah Paul. Actually, other the women welfare group was established actually last year in March, of which it was a great initiative that all the women have agreed to come together as we form this association called Other the Women Welfare. So far so good. I would say we have tried our best and we still will keep on trying our best so that we do and embrace what we have meant to do, which is the empowerment and unity of all as and the women, not just in Juba, but also as globally. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, Sister Victoria, gini objective kamfunga branch kwa organization mfunga example fulani sawa lo one of the objective one is go organization tipaka manga
Tamba heka kugumu kule onene kaja hamba nome nitono go organization ine basically obukina kwa situation ngo gudukono gumen aim ngo gudu chapogo organization nilenga to unite and empower all Azande women. Chigi nga focus ilipo unity. Mwai dukani dunga Azande nga ade ka koda tirani ka asabe ko undo tirani chapo ogu apango gune yesarani bo pakara pana mangarani rungo guduki no issues guduki no ndolo gani ama koro nguguna affectirani nga Azande. So ane yani Azande women ani ambunga akumba koyete bombiko akumba na benefit rogo gani activities ilena bodu ko indirect. So do ananya Azande women and mwinonga ko wirani akumbarani wirani nga akumbo gude na benefit ya rogo ogo apango gu anyamunga onogo dundu tambaya.
Tambaya. Victoria, taban mo peke dungu apane, but bukorasana meda kasano nani, taban wono sungu ka discuss pa kakuza kwa organization nene. Kawadi wono sungu tungo heze group wala bes ono tungo chotu ngoro na tungo nikinia ono serika manga.
Tambaya again, gupata mikumbahanga ani wa ade ana bi kukura pa yebi akwara nyamanga nga gukuramba tunga chukurasa boro chinakura rogo boro yosa nga go idea ne yekuli boro yosa deni nikisha hana kuroni nga mubingo gubera ndu gudura mbatunga pa gare kani mongi chilenge noko umbarani guboro leki baigo idea re nikisha hatidenya ana gukura aboro then alikini bigupanga no gupanga ani yombungo tirane yombodunduko ko ngo ka franga ligi padu le dombiko wachebi gani welfare anikida kuchipaisa then ankimongi nga gani paidu anada kuchini so buledu ngo gupane mongi chako organization ne
So neno ngote bagagana kino ina drop ani ni drop na mbuse yo. So anyway wadumo kinane Tambaya evangelist awale network welcome Eliza.
Tambaya.
Yeah. So, evangelist, tabana ugapa pekyo ni he, anima aboroma gioni. Anima ngawe tabani, one organization ene, onyawe Azande Women Welfare Organization. So, one of the goal nga focusing pagwa Azande, ogwa dedu vurujuba mbatano, kinikaja kuyembe ko boroni yawe, another ka focus batano ka register hande nikikaja kuzande. So, but to touch on the higher why sound Kenya chana cover the entire of South Sudan. Chamanga specific focus really Burjubate. So, in the program karanga chapa question na sana.
Baba Tambaya yani Google ngaga awo chak paranga borote yani oningo ulivusesa dundu ko rogo awo whether mu logging bi wala mu koroyo and dundu ko na de pa kan bidisa yani gu aim ni no objective yo pati coverani dundu ko so gani moye bangilise pagu organization ile ngaka empower Azande women rogo zagino no boyo dundu ko mwa kedunga yani financially stable sustainable yani kakea yani ya family mwaka sonso gude yani chakpalanga borote chakpalanga de wala kumba we vikine ino ni petere chakpalanga kwanga mu America ya wala munone tabangi sapa isa anedo gwa ulinara ne do America yo na birani alme ani discuss gi kwanga dulele nawe iko dirani isend idea whether remotely or by any means isend gay ideas chipanga antumba one voice
So Eliza ma already man didn't So Eliza, from understanding you're the founder of this one of the founder of this organization. Sister Vicky spoke about one of the objectives of this organization that it will be focusing on the unity of Azande women, not only just women, men, children, everyone. So as one of the founder, I just want to ask you on this question, at least give me your honest answer. What do you think that the Azande women need to do to start creating unity, not only just among Azande women, but also contribute into the unity of Azande people? Sorry, we cannot hear you.
You are getting me well like this?
Yes, yes, we can hear you now.
Thank you so much. Okay, I will top up on what advisor Mama Victoria said earlier.
Yeah.
Indeed, other than the women, apart from me talking about unity and their empowerment, actually our voice is not heard. I feel like our voice is not. We need to embrace the fact that women, we women, the catalyst for change, and also we want in our society today. Another thing is, I feel like we, the women, some of us are weak naturally because they don't have confidence in themselves that they can do. We need to outdo that limit whereby we want to advocate for the rights of the girls and women, also career advancement to ensure stability and inclusion for social development, not just within our community, but across the South Sudan as well. So we coming together, we wanted to prove a message that we are resilient and we have the capabilities, we have the leadership within us. We can able to do a lot, but we be coming together, putting our hand together, joining our idea, we can able to make the difference. This is what I can add on this point.
I think it is wonderful you have given me. This is like part of the objective from my understanding. But the question I ask you specifically, as your organization right now, what are the things that you're going to focus on to tackle the issue of disunity among Azande people? Can you give me one example of the issues that you think your organization might be able to start tackling it among the Azande women, among the Azande people?
This one is coming up. To create unity, it is going to be to create more of the team building together, focus group discussing our own issues, for us to be able to kick off the action points that we can able to make difference, because the action point is coming from what is affecting us, the women, first of all, so that we can able to to take it as an action point and we kick off from there.
Thank you, Eliza. The reason why I'm asking this question, I want an answer from all of you guys, because Panama ndure ngawe wanato nakafura chikakupanga gakoda chise mina ajanga pangame anikisunga chirani ngame okay koja tisere kisanga chirani ngame. How can we unite ourselves? Go question and answer nga chirani aborna from pabese nga anikodi chirani, but there has to be something tangible that will start creating unity among ourselves. Sister Victoria, please give me your example, give me your thought, give me something that you have in your mind. If I have an opportunity, maybe this is one of the issues I'll bring to the table for us to start tackling. So please, Sister Victoria, before I answer for the question.
Okay, tambua brother Roger, give me phone and I can off soon. So upaye kami kumba haforonga gupanga gakoda tise dagbati Azande. Paimo sango gu ni kamanga ngo urusana kamanga aburkini kakoda chiyo kini gitiyo san kini mwengia pa kina san rogo urusante chamanga ngate. Lakini activities ikino ho apaya kino ngo kanya manga ha ngo nikosa gupanga ana koda tirani na rebo na rebo. Ngo ana organize joint women group to discuss issues about family. I could not believe it. Nga ade adungratio over 200 women and kisungu minsa tisa lakatisa kamsanga ganyomu kama yanga ulisenga hen wala baba nefugo dagwacha ade yabamiko gine gupana kojirani nga ana discuss issues that affect our life, nga family issues. So wana discuss in the process it brought unity. Gwatenga at grassroots, politician, educated business women, they were all there. So kanya create ogo activities. Ngogu nika kodarani. Tidu nika sano gupanga koda tise. Kanya involve gupanga culture. kanya yena kupanga education kanya yena ogwa topics ogwa paingo gulenge na kakodarani maraka du panga abroneka du always ni kojiyo so chingo kupanga kukamigumba angame uru hasa chini kamanga walenga aborogozegi nondo bwedu kwanga azari kikojiyo kigitiyo lipasante ono ogwa activities ngogu anamaya anya plan kamanga renga ngana kakodarani an example walenga gupaya ana plan walenga ga Christmas carol gupanga hale china ka kodaran china ka yana de aparanga akumba abrodundu kona ka duna ngara gorogo urunga aya no gupanga ngrisenga gine another ka raise funds another ka raise resources ngaka ni duna mana berani wuri nani naka dologo pakara payo watadu ogwo wuri nani ngo oguyo duna pakara payo be umaranga hale anyani maranga nako undo ogwa abronga aya awana kamanga china ka yana koda chise chichi mingo gupanga kamikumba aforo tamba ene minga sorry anytime ka give me phone into off maybe gulenga battery nga low but I will continue to be around tamba.
I think you do money mo office yo kanya chindu nga borongo do na charge at musa setting kan sana hara nuga naida waida mudu pati discussion so maybe mone ka excuse to kinunga ka sana ya boro kanya ni na charge beni mo ko setting a connecting ko yeah okay gustata pare singa very important evangelist our pie
Yes.
agwa ni peher I know but kuchingangira rogo paye tabani sister Vicky ni yame organization ni chinke involve akumba kwa pali na bodu ndoko in role mo bia ngame akumbanika play within this organization mpenga plan
Baba kare tamba so mina kaja example kina chigu ina Christmas karo ngogo ana plan Sunday so apani kadu yo ngame yani ogo activities do plan ana plan chiko gurule nikadu nga baza yani kumba kanya kumana munga business kune naga kwa businesses
sorry kakata before mufra chiko guru ngaga celebration meaja mufra from the perspective ngaga organization yene akumba what will be our role within this organization? How can we help or how can we fit in within the organization? Sister Victoria Niame, organization do chugu na sanga ga dedo but kumanika dunga included. So mufunga example pale. Aninga kumba gani role nika drogo megina. How can we fit in within this organization?
Okay. Yeah, role nakadunga ga kumba yani ya play here. First of all, nga a happy woman makes a happy home. Kachidunga we yani ugapana kora tirani na derogo yake niseki here. Yani de kini garu. Ani anga chupamma ya koro. Ili anaji anga paingbarote. Yani after you in coming together, likintona kajana wale kituna ka feel sofora wale yani kituna kama yana wale nga mukumba jaji ko yani ya mulka bidatunga moni sana garo yani mbarago ni mojoro yani promota even muzaki benano wenenga because kasa ni kulogo ina duno ga South Sudan yani there are a lot of stress namanga kumba so oporo ni kadu wenenga ni beje na happy even it is also part of like you are involved in it kama dunanga yani physically involved logo ya lakini your life ma change pro ma change ogude ma change yeah
Tamba
that way, yeah. Tenaka involve kumba yani. Bara minu bungaga employer has this, has manager has that. But find physically and emotionally, ga life ma change. Vuru pro na kina gama vuru prompatan.
So nego panga me aninga kumba guru chada ani playing ka for more opportunities for ka yoro ni wa pauna ka peka how we should respect you, we should support you guys.
Yes, you support us.
Okay.
Kali manage kwa meeting ikayago late. Kamdunga na mushkila yeneliya. Yala kana yomboli de chpo meeting kakumboli jingingaya because the dinanduka lani wena pipe mwaka manga mana nisana gani mwaka bakke kibogi here and financially ile nyakatuna ka support ko yeah
Tamba Sister Eliza, so I don't know whether you know much about LTS or not. LTS is a media platform that we operate based on honesty and truth. We don't speak things that we don't have evidence on it, and we always encourage people to speak truth in our community. I'm going to ask you this question because we as the LTS, this is our job. We don't want to beat around the bush. We have seen organizations like yours within our community, a lot of organizations. They will come with a beautiful agenda, beautiful goals. Everything will be perfect. But at the end of the day, politics will enter. Our politicians will enter and ruin everything. How confident are you this organization is going to be a community organization? There's not going to be interference of any political leader. It will be a completely independent organization that will be focusing based on community welfare as you guys name it. Can you please tell our viewers, promise them that you guys are going to be independent? We can't hear you.
Like this, you are getting me?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. This is a very, very good question. Actually, the facts. What I would say, for us to avoid politicians from involving much into our things and somewhat advise in a wrong way or create a specific agenda to destroy the facts that we are focusing on empowerment and unity, and they wanted to involve more of the politics, we are going to use we are going to be polite in telling them no. Yes, we need their voices, we need their point of view, but it should not be, we are not going to take it as a source that is going to take us from our agenda that we have focused on it. And secondly, yes, within the members, some of them are politicians, yes, like this, because the hour brings more from diverse status, which is the roles or the positions they are having. But what I can tell you so far within the team that we are having in the group, they are not dividing all the initiative according to the political way, but we are fostering more. We wanted to focus on the community part. So the best thing I can say, we will not give them room, or we will not give them a room actually to enforce something that is more political and it is affecting what is called unity. Because, this thing, when we talk about Azande, we are talking about the Tombora, the Yambio, and all these things. We are doing it for all. It should not be in one place. Because that is segregation that if we want to do initiative, we wanted to do in a specific land. No. Any initiative coming for humanity, it should go for all the other counties. It should not be specified in specific things because of a specific agenda. No, this is the thing that I am on the top of it, and we are going to discourage it in all our initiative onward.
Thank you. The reason why I asked this question, I will have to elaborate in Tanzania. The reason is something we sana nyane, go yeme. Mina mapemba tano. When ana amatono dungu when but when I gili saha, then I can ipanaga omugiri mone. And dungu aboroho aidanga kanyare ngote. As much you want to tell the truth, but aborika tono ka kondemeno o muwale wapale. So most of the time, when I find a ogule, or Babuka benefit behe, no Babura, woman voice bear, or Wapa Pepe on the hand, they are the victim. But at the end of the day, they are saying, me, he will share no vote. Banakora Kajan Pangame, then the women welfare, as an organization, is supporting so and so. Oh, in the world, in the way for support. And got one hand, this is the thing people need to be very, very careful. Because there are some society in the and we have to be very sensitive on other building community. So for now, avoid that. Maybe in the future, then you will do that because it's really, really a good initiative on it on a So this is why I asked this question. Sister Vicky, I will come back to you, because Eliza mentioned very important part. Again, but we don't want to be straightforward to address it. And the longer we keep it aside, the longer it will stay within ourselves. There's something Sister Elisa mentioned, Azande Yambi, Azande Tombona. I'm very tired of it. Everyone is sick and tired of it. But Azande. No. But behind the scene, kina azande tombo azande yembio boromo nada kakusa bai gabor fradi pahati. As an organization, how are you going to deal with this issue as one of the members? Mr. Viga, I know it's a tough question, but how are you going to deal with that?
Tamba again. Chapa fugoro no gusana hengo gumuna gumba are. Tipa papa we Victoria. O mafrani chapa papa kama atatinga hakuti politics ya. Mi abingo ayagogone pacha panga inyame zande dulele nina yetomburo yo. Gizande dulele nina yembio yo. But the moment ima atache kuchi politics, it becomes a problem. Bondi ko rengo dunga ngaya bungure yembio yo. Minaka makanya waleme ya bungure ibayo. Ya bungure meridio ya. Yes, mingo kuzande ya bungure yembio yo mine yembio yo. But the moment ima atache kuchi politics, it becomes a problem. So chidingo kupadi ngambusa na kupanga yen once ya mention kupanga azande yembio azande tombura and then ankine attach to politics we have a problem with it. Gulengo du onga anga azande nga abrosa lakini bu fact du onga kinalengo anga mo yerogo gira gore mo yerogo giwuli gbariya kapo do na ngara go tininga gin ina yembo guri gbariya ngo gumye yerogo yo. But the moment you attach to politics, it becomes a problem. So, by Eliza and mini and engaging Gani focus in another begin a total minute tombura yo, la cadi, maybe Kumeridio or la Kuwao or Bazan do yo, and a Kakavo area Sereno Odunduko Nagani program. I think she'd move in mini. But the moment you put a mention Upanga goes and they do tombura na yembio, Karas politics, Bornapen and Nago politics, then skinny confuse a board. Tamba chapa gusana ngogu muna gumba anga anaka mweka banda go organization nine chapa gupanga ka politics ilimi ngo progoyo ya and all that. Nipenga haforonga politics is part of life. Even kupayana peka aware kana politics idunga okay? Politics idunga it involve decision making and all that. Chidu member sikina berani ngo ogaboro maybe nga member of the assembly and all that do na kinarani okay but gulengo do onga bu influence do onga me oni mwenji wale watadu oni support le wale oni mwenji wale anikini bali dunduko kamanga nelimo organization ni that will be wrong. Lakini katidunga individual ludu ko Victoria iji kupanga ka support a certain politician watadu kanduka campaign, it will be me as Victoria anjenga kupanga elimo organization nidu chinika bari kandona nye biko jene adechenga ade mo ogwaboranga ba politician ne kinade dunga yo means they are part of this organization. Lakini kupanga kuchada kupanga ani kushi erogoyo ngagame maybe anakandu ka campaign watadu anakandu kamanga wale budule will not be part of this. Mina gumba example for chopogu urungogu ani osunga manga workshop onadunga join women group and even the speaker, she was there as a woman, not as a politician. She was also there to encourage young women. She was also there to share her experience of the life journey that she has lived in. She was not there as a politician. She went there as a woman. So chingo kupanga kuchede kupanga jene ani asajingo kaparanga between kupanga ga politics no kupanga ga community bambiko ku politician nene kinade dungari but who is also a community member. Okay, so guletungo kupamina de kupanga chido adunga very clear bambiko jene kani yani from ani aidanga politician ni rongani libutere bana korabo onika kanjera koyo tapani ga women do bupanga ga dedu gani speaker kini yebo miko anagumbo kwali awo yebo miko jine ri ngo gude overall boro ngo gude nga a politician ani ebini ene chidane ane usually money it's not for bad so ane usually money kan kachadunga ngali money ya ani yanga me bukura adekino ongo buyodo parliament yo ngakena a politician onikini biorogo onikini ya yuwa ya borole ye kinyame a politician ya dunga roji patale ani yakanjara koyo ani bia ya politician rogoyo so nego kupanga gene gipale tinga political led no it is not like that ogwadere ingakina ade and also a member of the community. So do you know good clarification in Gogo? Mina da kamaya na tamba in front.
No, chamba clarification mfumo ha. Tala ni wabini sana kusana he, mini sana he kususu ka focus pa bad politics he. Wamuni pe he kina ya banga good politics and bad politics. But gupalbili sigani society awalenga bad politics. So mina focus on bad politics nga. How assure you guys going to protect this organization from bad politics? Wapemu haya lengo do. Gani abura politician no go gani abura do anasogo go yote. They are our people. But when I the practice good politics, good politics ni katumbarani kwai. Good politics ni katurana kumbatayo. Because okamuna apehere, bana kuna Kenya na practice good politics. Gani asi nene. Wachinika daniga endorsement mana community ma endorse nga giporole ni gana again. So at the end of the day, it's us to endorse our people. But when chaida ani focus ni pahanga ka discourage dagacharaninga bad politics. Anyway, minikaje go topic le kusai will maybe in the future. Dunga aburona kida message fare. Dunga aburona kida message fare kini sana hengawe momudu le furane ne adeye ka fura. Amina pide amina aparangana kida message fare anani kare. So evangelist minika yongo foro. Panama ngame kaperengo rengo dure namanga Burgana society. Dowirani nasahani kare. Warago marriage panga gazanga gida pai even zanga riso. Aninga paranga unga pakina namanga dowirana minga dago kwa abura will admit the truth. I'm sure nga kura aburikina nika disagree name. Why anangira for dowirani anangira for your wenengaite. Because for example wapanamanga zande ya wale munotongo bude Kurabana Boranki the message parenga please me hosting a program of franga chipa early childhood marriage. Ina mangine pregnancy. Yani buda wazande munapanga 13-14 years umabachika. And this is so sad. This is so sad. So evangelist in message dumbara honka mfunga papa nga fogo akumbona jwa wale chombato mmoja kurugule kama oguse kirubuto dokube.
Okay, tamba he brother, chipa good question le. Chinga yani emotional. Bimko kupanga yani tina affect rani senga obraninga no gude. Tina affect rani babane. Mune biboro kuchigi umuru duwa gudumile yani mikimaduna grandchildren wala granddaughter, grandson. Yani mizatu nga kene gude ngati to gude yani tina mina kanya wa chima good saga nilingara yani kupaya ani zugo chitirani wadado azande zoom guwele du chaida harobet kowerani onumfunga chance for wironi na de wironi inunga kuskuru yo au isononga mbatano onindunga kibianga kina kunyenye kya de ngogu yodu nyane mkuni sungone anyanya kina jugude mo biro dugbare ya kowerani ondunga na patient. There is a saying yanyawe owulianze ngengade igina igina wangalembia bemko gini he once dogu dai gina ya nini ka fu pressure ali kumba jinga kiniruka kadugu menenga kadunyeki ati dungawe yani ona kogona nikina kusene ngo de bironi ya anda katumboli kani kogona nikina kusene kona support ngarani chondongara te dogu de yani kasono so dogu de is kasono sa nation wodu chinedu yani ka educate dogu de ngamo ma educate nation. So on mina parafroni kini zungo dironi ngo akawirani ngame on funga chance for a dewironi in ngak school ya on funga chance for dewironi isonanga kidanga matano bamaya koro one kape sangba fiyo singo baka mi kape mina hokina ambupa beroni ngo akawirani furu kucho dewirani fisu kusiku koro uyambio yo chima donga too much.
Tamba evangelist. Sister Elisa. So I'm coming back to you again. I have it's not a tough question, but it's a very argumental question. I have received message from so many guys. Guys are saying that nowadays it is very difficult for them to speak to our open-minded sisters who went to school, who are educated. Yeah, and they found it very, very hard because once they go to school, they become educated, they become over proud. They don't even value us, the boys, anymore. And the education kind of like trigger something in their mind. And at the end of the day, it creates a lot of conflict, a lot of, I won't use the word hatred. Hatred is a very strong language. It just creates a lot of problem among ourselves. That's why sometimes you find out that ladies are now reaching the age of 35. No men want to marry them. No one wants to approach them because they say that so what can you say to some of us or to some of the boys who have that kind of perspective about our sisters?
Thank you so much. You know, for them to come out with that statement, they have experience in that same situation they came, they meet. But the truth, I always encourage that when a woman is study enough, like for this and having, she's supposed to be humble.
You said my name.
Yes.
So if you bring,
I always discourage, for instance, if a lady is educated and has reached a level of, she's supposed to get married, for instance, from 26 ahead there, and she did not get married on time, and now she's also having ego, and that pride always will make her not the right wife material to any person wanted to be with her in any relationship. But always kindness in a woman attract more attract men to her life, for instance. Also attitude do play a part, because you can have education, you can have so many things, but you don't have the right attitude, you are by default that woman will not be a wife material to somebody, because the bad attitude she will always bring it wherever she goes to. So I always say when a woman is studying, reach a level whereby even she's working, having and financially stable, she's supposed to humble herself so that someone's son will see the value to have her as a wife in the house. This is what I can respond to that point.
No, thank you. Thank you very much for that clarification. It is a debate that most of the guys have been waiting. Even the ladies sometimes say that than the men, they go out and marry from different community, but they treat women out there more respectfully than our own sisters. And it was kind of like tit for tat argument all the time. But I will organize a program one day for that debate to come public and see, so if we can resolve this issue. But it's actually creating more argumental debate among ourselves as men. Sister Victoria, Tabani, one organization we are Zande Women Welfare Organization and Chanangira for welfare no garden no wapali no board luko. Minaida mo focusinga kitoku pangaga ono mukoro Robert Chise. Boho guliana Friday pahangame. Kima afekera ni awere nitare. Yani chida awere ngo era nara karogo. Chimba mbufu boronga homada kajia deni. Yani munusungu wale sometime chimba mbufu kogo aboro. Mera kaya adunga gene deya. Ora burkina na struggle rokoraka mugi pangame mbatai bolikize gene fani ndere ni kumbamba, lakini wana pa ndo wale yana abornaida ready package wakame kumbo ye ninga ready usunge beni koro beni apaino bodu beni then kurakina hone ngame agume dogu dedu nikajide kama ki discourage boroza chikudu ngasa. So odugo na organization ni kadonga organization ni ka approach kwa moto kwa pale no bodu kote. But from the perspective of women as a mother, ginapamo bihe chada zitoneka change na ginapamo katoneka afraid pahawade ka encourage kupangame awuru naragachio mo mafrane ngamo tingo kupai onka focus paha one of the objective tamai
ya tamba hegeche pokusana hele chidunga memeraka gupanga marriage gupanga family chidunga memeraka, lakini gupanga mbusana ni toni nga anaida ka aneda nga ka focasi lipo mwa ka pipe owirani ka mboka de owirani chapa ma korote chidungo gupa minafuta mba fumboli nga kindo ima karaga chiru na wakino na karaga chiru badungo apai kino ana matono ko BA ngo gura gambanga chirani nani gimimo bangi sedu ngo guzande du on nagia fugarani tigire godulere minada ka challenge ro minada ka gumba afo nga gasunge du aneme kasonga mona manga ambatano te motona aneme ka wuri ka mwaju ka musungu na jaro no oviro ka asade ka undo oviro oguyonga odogude no oguyonga akumbugude ka deyo ka tekina ngo fuyo chaparaka gupadi na mangalani werenga tabani ovirani zeginona gairu chiwo gunadu matanote wapanga ga social media imoye ogudena wulika badungo apaibe akuyo oguya kinona wulika abe rogo phone we franyene so chidungo kupacha de upanga gene ogudena no gude only asadi ka catch up na gugairu pango gu neye kurogo zegino chapo gine mukire njane mba kaduna momo kosungo na oyiro ka furafuyo mia facilitate workshop ni guru yembio yo mikisana ade kinya ade oyiro ni gini pai ona gumba afuyo tipaparaka ade ka pa ya dunga mba ade ke gumba haya mikia kasana akumba kinyame amitigami amina frafu kina akumba gudesa ade goni sunjedwa anga ka frafu odogude tinga hate momodunga hafrani bombi ko gene wanya bungo ogudeni ani ngupanga gani sunjedu watadu dogude watadu kumba gude kamoya ni sende ka frafuni chepogani raka mwadu lingeni na kabanda chini kawuli kapa damo kanyelenge ni kabigu borongo guni lenge ni kamaya poroneni nikimwe poroneni guni nikagadiro kanona ni kumbata yoya nikibigu nipango bukanyamanga ha nikirengana na kamanga so chidugo kupari na manga gene ani karagatira ni brewe chepogene child protection ka ino maka bode ovirani gumurere nini ndukoi ododunga abakureni ododu yotonani egipadulere chinangira wakaya chine shiro be obogu de shiro wale bono ona maya benani brewe chepo kupate be kupabisi ya bumbanga ogude ajanga paite so the moment anaka continue ka pekino upanga ogude ajanga paite chine kama ogudele riyo kienkion kishishi ono katidunga anasumbo kini osajiko undo ye kini frafu kini perengo fuyo chini ko undo we organization nga gidure chidwani asana undo chini begani aboduzi yonga ko ni undo rani anakani ngana kabinwa dokani organize workshop vurujuba aniki organize buku koyo chapamwa kanuka frafu ogogude tu school yo kinzi mwadu lingeni nakabanda chini ko sumo kino school yo ga okani yesiga ngulikapani nikirengene kabi gubongo bunikani bini nikijini tina kafuno mufurani anende kanduka ka organize dialogue with the parents kafura fo bogude chapo ngadu lingi yono kasungo na uriyo ko undo uriyo na ma drop up kanyang kai bonga ni kusaingame wani na makuro school wani na majevuse ni barewenga wene budete ya pale dungo kwa patro bogani ya plans ngogo anada kamanga ana matona ene already sido anasangono nchepo kupanga oni undarani oni zatu undarani megini topics oni abana ina engani na kanduka nuka furafu owirani lipa babiko ngine kani ya anya franga fo budete den go kurapanga gogo anaka gairu gan society rogoyote kina fugo nga awareness akada ka yo bude ogukuro bude kina rengo nasona besi ono na gadiote minagia pamba kine ganya pias so pia influence kini kadu kishishi mina zunga je bogude na ogude chapa kupanga gene iya sajika zoga mara ngogo ya gida spapogu bogude ngogo ni chaide ijini kuchibushino ngogo na dumbatano ina yame mara na jadete shinodu nga veneshino kamudune kuborobu na veneshino mukini yugu veneshino €4 ikipi kupanga giparanga dolare wene parangodu ngogu ko kagene duko kumbata yo kwanjera njero forani kwanjera njero fogi family kwanjera njero fongerani venengai kregiti nga bakare mwana fo akumbo gudeya akumbo gudelinga ndo ka bimomu ikirenge ka bigudo gudengo bunirenge ni nakajeni nakarkanani na minozunga tigani ndo gudenga kandi na chapaki no kumba dunna marabeni no beko gumarane na wachahenga ya na wakati nyeshini buru kagumarane adunga onakara kanwa so chidungo gupanga ukami pebo mikomeda nakaja bakale fuko tishishite gulenga gubete uya mo kamine shi eri popanga makoro chio dungo gumeni pa ingo guduro goganya a workshop ngogo anya asada ka miso obele programme bimiko chimakura badungo abro wala ndera pokino panga igiti bazegino mara wozegino muleme kagida mara wozegino budo budereri ngano kara ko ya dunga zizerejiya bimiko ina kari mandili no urudunduko ngo guzegino mara yakije eforole another patch papa mumongigidure mumongigale mamanga walete muinongo sunje so badungo stress nakado budo buderekisi lakini kayaro gakabraro gatiyo rogonye mseyo obale chadunga kishite bulimo buli betero
tamba Sister Victoria Sister Evangelist Minike Yoporo uli pakina Sister Victoria ni mention nga kidomo ile udumro ni follow indo wa kindo atona na wapa boki ni peke no borum ko farazande on maina gina pai peke ko na wine establish kindo Sister Eliza, this question, I want to ask you, give me an answer from a perspective whereby you're representing a certain group of people. And you can remember our king said clearly that, one of the things he mentioned clearly that he wants the Azande society, the family to grow. And he said specifically that he wants men to marry many women. But they have to be responsible. As all of you guys are well-educated women, let me get your honest answer from a perspective of an educated woman. How does that message sit with you guys?
Okay. I know some women will not agree with me, but there is, everything that comes from the king. This is a decision. We need to amend it. We need to start embracing, adjusting, getting used to it. Actually, for me as an individual, from my own perspective, I don't have issue for my man to have another wife. This is the reality. As long as he can able to manage both wives equally, giving them responsibility, it is advisable. Because sometimes as women also, we do neglect the men we have in our life to make them go and look for another woman outside. If you know that you are toxic enough and giving that man hard time in life, you need to humble yourself. It is okay if he comes and asks permission from you that my wife, I want to have a second wife. It is a term and condition between both of you to agree. Because man, when you tell them no, don't go and get married to another woman, he will collapse. They are no weak, he wanted to go and marry the other woman. But if you give them go ahead, you go and even find that experience completely bad. He better comes and stay to you, the mother of the children in the house. So man doesn't want them to, man does not want a woman to tell him, don't go and marry another woman. But also, when you get a right woman, a good woman in the house, don't take that blessing out. Because sometimes you go and bring the second wife, which is having actually package of something which is not right. When you bring that woman in the house, already you have destroyed the beauty you have in your family. But I also say, if you really get the right woman, please, men, stick with that one you're having. No need for you to go and get another woman, except you have a strong reason why you want to have. Because, sometimes the culture thing also play roles. And for instance, there's specific tribes, even Azande, that they say to Dinka community, whereby second wife is allowed. But the second wife should respect the first wife. That's it. Should not be a problem. And a man even go with the first wife to the second wife. Like in our culture of Zande, the money kit and a man the shoe fit for umur kebir as a woman. It a mufru became my husband, can I go and get for you another wife? Yeah, Nikita. You be the friend to your husband so that you can able to know and how he thinks and what makes him happy. And just align.
Thank you, Eliza. Eliza, I'm sure a lot of men now they're clapping their hands for you, but I'm not sure about Sister Evangelist and Sister Victoria. Those evangelists, inaanza kama penga chupa kupa boki da pele. By the way, ipa ma pele. Boki da yangame abo mbubes karo kwa da dete. Boki da yangame kamuni pa chirongame. One karo kwa de uwe wala biata. When can get a prayer when I king the folk the winning I please do it. Come out again, Aduma Beroya, don't do it. So, and in our kumba, I got grilla to quack a friend in our war and the basic that. That's not the case. Quack paying do it responsibly. So, since evangelist, in Kugrika Karagabakam Karangach, Pabuki Nape. Ana Jangarote.
Hello.
Yes, anajana.
Okay. Mina yawe tamba heo na lengo du ngawe bokinda mapepa wo ngawe tabani gani population ngaga zande chima zona kusende ani rogade wa kumba rogade ni bo we babeta chopa kavunga the same way do rogo bible na yawe oni ndo ka inso zegino oni vunga ki inshi zegino lakini mnebie hangawe kavunga ka inso zegino kura vasi kinya bolewe katidunga yani munga a father munga not responsible yani kangera fogu de ka provide ga needs there's punishment ikena ho ne pidoro because mudaka mudunga responsible kumba na resources kina bero ngoguling mo ka jade we muhingale fo yo no gude dunuko munga free ka jade lakini katidunga munga border yani gu border ready to do everything kurogo mukuni gbaliki ama no ka ja kurade bokinda amanya wale lakini sunka misko gude no vuliambio na abaranga border ngam ogude bernan site na shara gini gene di mon kaston so gude rogo ade biswe mon kam nga pogwa de kino go border le basis sa ngogu ina go capital do bero rogo chinita iya burdo kan dunga kepe bo mutano chupanga yani gumusuria mano kan kasara churo rogo yo mon kan dundu gi handu tabane for example abarani ya duna de beo we babiata babiam minga victim ngaga ubadu na de biata lakini wene chi yan ko sopa foro na tana rogo yo aroso na ngwaya na awande aboko apagu ngugu mun kali go wiro na ni yani homa sana kumbachi papa hate ono go life do ani awore rogo yo lengawe in the morning baba filani mona ligo baba filani mona famu mukuni biebi wene nganga yani rakama dachiro mukuni belekini mane nani gule ga second wife chigago second wife gago no gupanga we yani mwa muka divide ga love for gwadele uwedunuko chidwa kachidunga equally ono mostly love is difficult chipamu share mudoka munela ikuboninga no ledungbatiro so nike na pataro kura side ma favor nga bororogo chidungo gupa duho advising ngawe mudumbatano nga capable no good administration mukini yame mankaja adewe tambahe
Tambahe. Sister Victoria, do a form of package for one organization and going to get a logo payo. How are you going to liaise not what they do zegino? When you got the zegino, rogwari, not be or rogore. One organization with a plan to do very mean one kali as in a kamanga single names.
Tambahe kishishi chapo sana edulere anaka asadatirani chapa ka biumai do anaka extending ganya contacts fugu ganya budu zegio rogo gori budu zegio ikina rogo plani wide anaka extend kuzegio budu alimelenga tabani anede keka kura baiga katingi da afro ndo ili budu kino organization budu kino oberani warenga gade nyamanga so nyamanga kini undani undo kini gairu beta pai rogo gani raka neka present from chapo kupanga ondunga aware bambiko anaka tona nika approach roni individually watado at the organization level oniki madunga aware nga ejabori makura baiga na lengo dunga imaduna evidence beyo na beto wapango kuyamanga amanga lengo ru France ko kupanga me ani supporting batunga initiative bwo budulaganya mpura balimo tangwana.
Someone. Sister Eliza, as one of the founder of the organization of this Azande Women Welfare, what is your major plan for this upcoming festival? What do you want to achieve from this festival?
Actually, what we are targeting actually is first the joy, putting the joy in people's face. Secondly, reaching yani all the support that we can able to get within that day. We need to put a smile to people who are in need during the Christmas. It can be an orphanage. We did not specify which people that we really wanted to support them. It can be also in the region, which is going to be the decision between the executive to decide where should we go and give them that support within the Christmas time. Yes, we wanted to bring all the community within Juba here first together. Let us celebrate the joy of us celebrating ourselves. Actually, this year has been the tough years, but we wanted to say thank you to Jesus for every challenge that we have gone and for every achievement that we have achieved from the beginning of the year up to now. Thank you.
So, as one of the leader of the organization, if someone want to reach out to you guys, what is the plan in place you guys have? Because I'm sure people are watching you all over the world. Somebody might say, "Hey, this is a good initiative. I want to talk more and know more about it." How can they reach you guys?
That person can reach us directly through our phones. We are having phones that they can come, they can reach us, and also we are having an email in case he have some concern to raise for us or any support he wanted to give to us. Yes, we don't have an official website whereby he can go directly, but we are having the page which is the Azande Women Young Women actually group, which is on Facebook. This is where we post all of our activities that we do on that page. So we keep on posting, and some of them actually we keep on getting a little bit of positive feedback from them, which is really helping us indirectly and directly also. So we thank everybody who have been supporting us from the beginning of this initiative up to today. We are expecting many people to be on the ground, inshallah, so that they can support us seriously on that event.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sister Evangelist, from organization, have you guys tried to reach out to some other similar organization, not only just within our community, but also like other communities? Kashia DS name, why Ponmangus name, Kalia's name.
Kamba sipagu question nile. Gubamba tare bodure le anada upanga yani ka invite bukra communities ngake na during celebration nga Christmas ile. Beko ano form awo kina gigana shar 7. So chita dunga kindi yani ngama chua te ukamani we lack resources ka form gani organization ile. So now this is the first thing anamungenga yani to come together. So and I invite Aboro from Shuruk Kingdom, and I invite Aboro from Bari community, women, to come and join us. Agojima chopanga yani, any mingle, any communicate, any discuss, issues on Sunday. This is first, of its kind, and come meeting women groups outside.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully, continue to hear.
Yeah, ndugu pamilisa na question yatapani on moidanga wale anaraka in a global world whereby you need to have networking with other people. So means anya ubabesi na nusu kinada bachirani kama gani apada bachirani. So gere kudawarenga you have to link with people from other communities to talk about relationship. Busana America sana ne kemi sana Sister Eliza na ni directly, but I'm gonna go to Sister Victoria. Sister Victoria, me want to establish one organization. So do you have short-term, mid-term, and long-term plan? If you do, can you please tell us what are they?
Yeah, Yeah, tamba chapa kaku question nenga direct fare, but still minari question chapa mukaranga of Eliza Brewe. Katitungu ango kuchanga dami adi kuli tamba.
Okay. Tamba, Eliza,
Yes.
you heard it from Victoria. As I mentioned it clearly that as one of the leader of the organization, what is your short-term, mid-term, and long-term goal for this organization? Can you please tell us if you have it? If you don't, maybe we will hear from you maybe next time.
Okay. So far, I will just generalize on the general activity that we intend to do, which is going to be the general. I would prefer that we talk about the general. Like from next year, hopefully, we want to focus more on workshop and awareness for the women. It can be on gender violence, you know, because this is most of the concern. And also for the youth, we will focus more of the early marriage and also importance of education for women. This is actually the main thing that we wanted to focus on it from January, hopefully, will be one of our first kick initiative. Yeah.
Okay. Now, thank you so much. Ogroniko no kebirane kerenga na manga interview na Azande Women Welfare Organization. Organization bigeze ke kushaka banashira. So tukwa papeki ho ina yame chingo organization nika da kangira so welfare na ga Azande nga uyonga de batanga kinade misete akumbono gudorogo na Burundi ko inaida establish hechi drogo libu niko ndarani niko ndo de urani anarani de urani rogodungu apayo. Tigre bore anambida ketiso gani program minikasa daka ku chance from na Burundi ko sasa on pe yanga de goni fugo advise ko babuna joro ni adea kumba inapae unaida undona ni na gini message you confirm yo so minikasa daka tona na sisa evangelist gini message kamfunga faz and no boyo ugyo na jama wale ugyo ni peke bigo program kusa gini message kamfunga yo na boyo nduko igireko.
Baba tole tamba hai brother Emmanuel. Go message nandufu Azande ne obedu ni korogoze gino ngobyo ne break ni jigu fugo mya pehele. Ina pehenga unadunga sanguyo wanze te. So another kodabe, another support in kind, financial, emotional, and every kind of supporting. Only a seji kakida frani, kurogani forum woni magia hai na gida gaha address number. Yani ugapadu wena idea la naida. Na ukura pabule ngawe inaya kinabora hangani. Kinabora ngani ngawe kinogupane biebe ulina na nini mwingi. Chupegine kanale nga kasada hachiniya. Chidungu gupa anakenani chini. Yani rago jima nikangia bakali uruni kebia sura hobi anakimu gupanga yo nikijogwa ideas bole frani yani for next plan yani ani include he kulogo next plan ngoku kadu kumbata ya tamba boli dunani dunuko
Tamba sisa Evangeline Sister Victoria ini anga da pa campaign afọ kwa Azande kwa kume onobira wa live gine no bodu ko sipo initiative woni tona hanga.
Ya gibakale mbara godu chipapa Gwazande mbu bukuloga yinya kiapai ngogo kai na manga iki dire bochapa kajani beta paki no ina mawulika wena bena kino oya bena akondora nani chinga welcome message kutumo ni liko paya nataka anga ajade gukuraporo kudone na ikise kupafura ngame timba ngachepo kupanga me ani prafa akumba biko akumbodu nada kuchipanga imainoni wale imaigale wale ndo kupanga akumbo sejikadunga involve kupanga karijisi mwana jade udengo kupanga nada kakumba chindu kuyanga kurumu kumeda kakumba anga anada ka changing go betegu kungo ndagani ndo uruduko pokrani ya magana saki na kensa bombi ko kinabikatsa ngo gwapai na manga fora nino. We want to change the narrative. Another could change it kayina ogukura pa ngo nika yunga anopanga apo umunga mama duna bara gotini chapogu ingara nyara karuko ona kaduni ni ulita kudanis so tidane itina mbarunga pogu dere kaduna ngo rungo kusayo baka bangise kinake no uduko chigana sana azande tininga oanya franina pogu kudulere ani wuje apo ye ani esaji babanga mbara goti tinani kakuma tamba kumboli wakakushe ko rozegino ani ngati no kupanga no uduko borode ni maki inde girungo dulere matunga pogu dulere ile ke ka gairunga danira ka toni no kuma bangite tinani nga obukula bogudu na duke pakala pai na shishi gogurani du ene obuyo me pakala pai na shishi gen anti bingo ngaju kani kiga ko wiye fuki afuniwe urugani ngo Christmas singa tomara go mujigini edure chundora go Christmas so tidingo bupai anya sana etini ko ye ke to undorani ogwaburusa inada ka undo fulani ifo apo chapo kupanga wa Eliza ni gumba chidunga burulengo urumbarago mudunga aduka mamanga mudunga aduka wonga tiwirogoro yotoni chikifunga mbarago fugaraka barasa rogoganasa tambwa
Sister Victoria. Sister Eliza, coming to you, what will be your last message, your final message to those who are watching now, but specifically to Azande ladies around the world? What will be your message to them? Or what is encouragement?
Thank you very much. Azande Women Christmas, or let me say charitable Christmas festival. This is going to be the first of its kind, which is organized by AWO. I encourage all the women in Juba here, also around the world, to know about this initiative, how unique it is. There is someone somewhere around is in need of something. There is someone somewhere lack completely financial to support during this Christmas festive. We know that things are really tough in Juba and across actually the country. Why can't you make it a will to be part of it? You can do the less you can do by supporting with whatever you have. It can be used clothes, can be financially. All this one, we want to put it together and put that joy to somebody you don't know, but we are going to reach on our own ways to make sure they celebrate Christmas like any other normal family who can able to afford. First of all, I would like to thank each one of my team members, the AWO team, all the executive, the advisors, Yani Budget. Without their support and the advice for us to stick the unity, for us to create initiative that will bring us more, we will not be able to do it. But we also want to thank anybody who is supporting AWO from the first day we kick off in the entire community. Remember, AWO is not just for the women is specific, but it brings all the group of ADESA group. It brings in Gracia Givers group, women group. It brings all Solidarity, also women, some of the members are from Solidarity, and also some of the women from Strong and Innovative Women. These are all the groups we are having in Juba, but we link under one umbrella, which is the Azande Women, so that we can strengthen our existence, strengthen our voice to be heard, and we work on the initiative which is collaborative, can able to help wide communities, not just in South Sudan here, Juba is specific, it can be to any country, any state we select as a state of emergency which need our support to be there. Therefore, this initiative, the Christmas festival, is going to bring everybody in one place. So we will also appreciate all the other groups like the Supreme and also the ACO, all of them, we are going to be together in that day so that we can make a difference, that we are there. We are working together for the better of the community. We started, and also they can start the next initiative of which we will also join them so that it becomes together. So I don't have much to say, but I wanted to see everybody on the ground. Remember, we are having Tasha K. We are having Sweet J and Adande traditional dancer. Why do you want to miss it? You be part of it. Let's celebrate together. It is starting earlier so that we can also go to our houses earlier. So bring the family, bring everybody, your friends, or let us all meet there on the ground. It is Lavella. Remember this initiative? It is really sponsored by Lavella. We thank our advisor, Mameti Sam, for giving us the venue, and it is really impressive. And we want to thank everybody who have supported this event to be successfully. Hopefully on Sunday is going to be successful, but with the presence of everyone on the ground. Thank you.
Thank you, Sister Lisa. Thank you for growing up with the no growing yet, but go now. Growing nike do program le kusa gerenga anamanga program na Zande Women Welfare Organization Juba ya very good. Zeki ya honi bobo ya zeki ya char sabana ashire ge ge gol ngame kanjera chwa welfare ngade no boy nduko. Me apenga froni na borun kote komada kaja hai details, so please mostly can be program ubere mo kaja kuwena pa peke no borun for frani. So my guests, I'm really honored to have you guys here today, and I'm looking forward to follow up to hear how the progress, and we'll be working together. You guys have ignited a very, very exciting future, or not only just for the Azande women, but for all of us as the Azande Kingdom people. I've been receiving a lot of messages from people. They want me to ask you guys a lot of questions, but I say, no. This is just an introduction. Time will come, we'll choose a specific topic, bring you guys for us to discuss it, because this is something that people have been waiting now. Most of the time, only men are the one talking, men are the one discussing things. But where's our ladies? We have educated ladies, we have smart ladies, but you people are deciding just to hide yourself. But today is a very great honor for people to see that we do have women who can speak, who can articulate themselves, who can speak about issues within our community. And this is what we want to see. And also my advice to you is we need to see more young girls to come through. Encourage them. Let them have the self-confidence in public. Let them speak. Let them discuss. Let them challenge us, their brothers. Because at the end of the day, if they don't challenge us, we won't be able to grow together. So I'm grateful that there's an organization like yours who will be facilitating so many things. And I'm really, really encouraging you guys to focus on the young women, encouraging them, instead self-confident in them, because this is something that the Miss community, we have everything. We have the look, we have the smartness, but in Panasani, Anadunga, Kapur, Yamba, Madunga, now proudness here. And maybe I do the Aguna and Marunda, Mepanga, Borodu, Engashi, like Nakura, Kafrana, confident Ginamabo. And this is the thing, Chada, one organization, and Chada, want to focus on it, perhaps, educated, the Rani, Dumana, confident, Kafra, so, for Atumbashimara, Naparandi, because Abai Froni, and please feel free at any time, so please reach out to me. Our sister Richard Father, sister evangelist. Yeah, I did not hesitate. Can't become for a program. No, this is a very important. So I have to cancel another program and bring you guys. So that way. So anyway, thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend. And by the way, somebody asked that those of us in the diaspora, how can we join? Enjoy that day. In case if you go to Juba, are we invited?
They're invited, but online. But online, let them follow us on Juba Giafa page. We are going to be live as well as the Young Women page.
Well, also, if you guys want, we can broadcast it live on LTS as well. We can organize that. Wow. Broadcast it live, yeah.
We
can organize it. We broadcast it live. Yeah, we'll definitely do it. We'll do it. Sure. Kalas, now, Mishkela, thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll keep in touch. Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you. Thank you.